Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to get a super high score in Block Blast. So the first thing you need to make sure is that whenever you're given something, you try to fill up an entire column or as many lines as possible. As you can see, I'm trying to fill up this space, and see, I'm not focused on just one spot or two spot. Rather, I'm trying to work how I can fill out an entire space. As you can see, I'm moving very tactically. See, it matched. I guessed that there would be something with the three squares right over here and then one, and immediately on the next move I got it. So you need to work like this and try to fill up as much space as possible without leaving gaps, and try to fill up these kind of things. Like next time I get a 4, I can easily fill up this spot. See, I get a 4 here, I get a 4 here, this is filled up. Come on, I literally cleared the whole thing, and as you can see, my score is immediately going up like crazy. So that's basically the basics, that you need to try to fill up as much gap as possible without leaving much space. As you can see, I'm filling out those spots right over here. I think we could see, I think Block Blast does work like that as well. When you leave a particular spot, they try to make up for that space. As you can see, I'll try to put, see, I just said I'll try to put one line and they automatically gave me that. But you need to make sure that you don't leave way too much space, because otherwise then there is not much space to really work with. Like this is a very bad move. I cannot fill this up unless I get like 1-3 spot. Or what I could do is, they did give me an opportunity, which is this one. Now for this space I need either 4 blocks or lines or 6 lines. So right over here what I'll try to do is probably this. So even though I have one spot left here, I'll still make up for that, and this I'll put right over here. Now they give me something like this, so I'll just, this is the last one that I'm showing you guys for now. As you can see, this was a bad move. I should have put that first, because now I have no place to put this. And as you can see, the game is over. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.